As I mentioned, that 8 hours of sleeping, it's the reparation mode. So just divide your day into 3 equal parts of 8 hours. That sleeping mode, which we all understand, we are fasting. So when we wake up in the morning, we go into our next 8-hour phase of this 3-phase cycle that we experience every day. So that second phase is the break fast mode, or the breaking of the fast. Then we have our third phase, that's the intake mode. That's when we're putting in the building material. But that break fast phase is very, very, very crucial, because as we sleep, as we do the repair work, of course the stomach empties out and the stomach closes down or comes back to close to a rudimentary stage when we wake up in the morning. So during that break fast period, that stomach that is normally the normal size of it is the size of our fist. So when you get into that stomach in the morning and open it up, with a traditional breakfast, a big breakfast, then we stretch that bag open real wide. And of course, it's not going to close down again. It's not going to shut down again till it's emptied and till we go back to another sleeping mode. So the doctors will say, yes, the breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And I agree with them. But when they tell you eat a big one, then we part company. Because if you eat a big one, you stretch that bag, you're going to need to keep it full for the rest of the day. So the morning period, that breakfast phase, it's not a meal. It is an 8-hour phase of elimination, removing toxins. It's really just emptying the waste bin. It's waste management time for the day. So it's elimination, elimination, elimination. So of course, we want to consume foods that are going to facilitate the elimination process. And these are foods that are high in moisture, high in fiber. And these are the break fast food: fruits, liquids, fruits, vegetables, if the body cannot process the fruits, because they become very powerful medicine in bodies that are very toxic. And we may get diarrhea, we may get the headaches, we may get the runs or something, and we misinterpret the power, the value, or the energy of these fruits, which are electrical foods. So we need to go to the electromagnetic foods, which are vegetable. They clean the body, they create the process on a slower level that we can be more tolerable of the crisis or the potential healing crisis that the elimination of excessive toxin can bring about in the body. So the starches and the protein, these are the building foods. These are the magnetic foods. So as I said, the body is eliminating in the morning. The body is emptying the trash bin. So why try to put in some building foods? Why try to put in a traditional breakfast, the whole cereal concept breakfast, and all the grease and other things that goes with traditional breakfast? We know that if we read anything about fasting that is totally unscientific, to break a fast with cereals, with bacon, with eggs, with granola, with tofu, with heavy foods. Those are building foods, and they should be consumed in the afternoon, between 12 and 8 p.m., between lunch and dinner. This is the intake mode when we're putting those raw building blocks, the protein and the starches or the complex carbohydrates. All right.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.